Well, let's talk about accountants, tax preparers, bookkeepers, giving your clients your own phone app and solve a big problem they've got and get paid to do it. Now, AutoKept has built it's the ultimate viral marketing plan hidden inside a phone app that clients are going to use. My name's Casey Truby. Many of you have been to my seminars in the past 30 years or part of Bridge 21, the QuickBooks training company. I've owned 21 companies since 1969 and done thousands of seminars. But this phone app thing's amazing because there's no selling. Apps just spread by giving it away as a free trial for 30 days or until you do 30 transactions, anything like that. You can decide. And then it gets spread by viral word of mouth. But this AutoKept is designed to help an accounting firm bring in 10 to 40 new accounting or tax clients every year and to create a second revenue stream. Might be 5,500 a year up to 42,000, and it'll take a couple of years to build it up to that. But your clients have got a hard time with paper. They've got paper stuffed everywhere, and they're up all night at tax time or expense reports. They don't track mileage correctly. You know their reports on expenses are a mess, and they lose things that come in the mail, and then you've got really bad news for them, but that's chaos for you just as well. Well, your clients are looking for a solution to all that. And we know that because 10 million people have already downloaded a phone app to track expenses and mileage. None of them are as slick as AutoKept, and none of them are private labeled under your name. But we already know that people are looking for this solution and they use this type of app 3 to 5 times a day. So we built this ultimate viral marketing plan hidden around a phone app. So first I'll tell you what it does. Here's what is so shocking about our app compared to everything else. If the waitress brings me a bill, I simply tap AutoKept, take a picture of the invoice, and then I talk. Now that's important because voice recognition and artificial intelligence that we built into the app understands the transaction and it codes it correctly so that it goes right into the accounting system or a spreadsheet. And on the back end, just like on the front end, your name's on the app and your name's on the back end where the client sees all their data. And it's so smart, it'll decide if it's a mileage or a tax deduction or an expense report, or if it should even go into a basic profit and loss statement for the client. And you can drill down and see all the details. And as a matter of fact, it'll easily import into Excel, but it'll even import into popular accounting software. And all of it gets done in under 10 seconds. Nothing in the world is so easy. It's just going to amaze your clients when people use this. I hear the same thing. It's like, whoa, are you kidding? So AutoCAD, though, is really a marketing plan that just happens to do accounting. And that's what we're going to talk about next, how you'll benefit from a private labeled phone app. So the first thing, clients 3 to 5 times a day see your name and your logo right at the top of their phone screen. They see it every time they spend money or record mileage. And doing this, putting your name on the front of a phone, and what's going to happen in the next slide is 10 times more effective than sending out an email. If you send out 100 emails, 15 might get opened. If 100 people are using your app, all 100 are going to see your name 3 to 5 times a day. So we want to include 2 lines of sales message that you can update in real time and talk to your clients. Now, you go online to your backend administrative panel and change what you want to say to your clients. And then you can also change a website link that's on the front of this. Now, the reason that's important is because they see this all day long and you can update or remind them about deadlines or an article that you wrote or maybe a class you've got coming up, special offers. And one I love is success stories, but clients end up thinking about you every single day. And then we give them an easy way to email you or call you on the phone right from your app. Now, the reason for that is lots of times clients think they should probably call you because they've got some kind of question about leasing this or buying that or should I do this? And then a few days later they've forgotten it. But if on easy contact gives them a way to contact us on impulse, and once they've sent us a text or called us on the phone and asked, do you think I should lease or buy? They've just given you permission to follow up to deliver some sort of service. And that's one of the reasons why sales will jump up 25% from your current clients, because they're always seeing you and they're always hearing good news, and they can reach out and touch you without thinking about it. But the really big one when it comes to marketing is the share button. This is brand new technology that we invented. And this came out of a lunch. I was having lunch last summer when we first started working on this with a financer, an angel investor. It just wasn't going anywhere. But when the bill came, I laid it on the table, tapped the app, talked about the bill, click submit, and the guy said, I've got to have that right now. And so I simply tapped the share button and moved the app from my phone to his phone, all under the private label. And here's the most amazing thing: when people share the app, guess what? They talk about you. Yeah, my accountant gave me this, and here's what it does. Isn't that neat? So let's go over the four big benefits you would get by personalizing your own phone app. Now, oh, and remember, there's no selling. Apps are spread by just giving them away, and then people that you give it to others. So that's how you get it started. But number one, all the client's proof is online all year long. There's no more document chasing. That's going to drive your cost to the floor. Extensions might become a thing of the past. Number two, that app gets shared. 20% of your clients will actually share it 5 or more times a year. 20% will share it 5 or more times a year. You know what that means? Your total list is going to double every single year. And every time your list doubles, your billing actually goes up by about 25%. And some of those people you're going to cherry pick out as really good new clients. And that's where the 25% jump is going to come from. But listen to this, it's also a second income stream. You see, clients love it, and they'll pay you. They'll pay you $5 to $20 a month for AutoKept. You can turn your current list into your marketing allies, the people you know today. They don't even have to be clients. Just give it away to friends or vendors. You can give this to people at the Kiwanis or Rotary or BNI. So give it to everyone. And those people that use it, I charge you 98 cents a month that they use it, and that means more than 30 times a month. 98 cents, but you're going to charge those people $5 to $20, and we back the whole thing up. Now, if that was exciting, here's the next step: give me a call. We'll sit down for a few minutes on the phone. I'll go over the details of AutoKept, how the money works, how you'll be able to bill clients, what the security is, etc. All those questions you have. So call me on the phone, and or send me an email and tell me a time that I should call you, and we'll review your situation to see if AutoKept is the right fit for you. But I think you're going to be amazed. 40 years, 46 years out there doing marketing, running accounting firms. This is the hottest thing I've ever seen, and we both know people never put down their phone. Give me a call today. I'd love to talk to you.